ये मिस्टर प्रशांत प्रभु है, इन्होंने हमारे से जनरेटर सेट लिया है 15 किलोवाट का वेल्डिंग डीजल जनरेटर सेट शामपुर विद 2 टायर ट्रॉली। कहाँ लेके जाना है सर आपको?
ये कारवार इज इन कर्नाटक।
कंपनी के बारे में बताइए कुछ सर।
Yeah, see, I am from Techno Engineers, and we are contractors for dredging company called ISDL.
अच्छा, ISDL के लिए
International Seaport and Dredging Limited. So now we have got a site in Seabird and project second phase.
Karwar is in Karnataka.
Yeah, second phase. So there we are building a pontoon for dredging. And since it's a remote site, there's no power supply. That is why we are going in for a welding generator set. And we have already specified it. We need it for a 5 mm rod.
For welding purpose.
Yes, in which you have promised, vouched, and said you can even run much
Yes,
rod of high capacity on
These all products are heavy duty, sir. Don't worry about the quality.
Yes, second thing, I would expect after sales, very good after sales service, because
Yes,
touch wood, we will be needing a lot more of such type generator of a higher capacity.
And we also need your brand, sir.
Yes. So we are, but we charge me more.
And in future, any other requirement, kindly contact.
See, second thing is, see, our company, we got an office in Borivali in Kanakya Spaces. Actually, my engineers has got on 5th.